Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the Bunny. Oh. Look at this. Is it a turtle? Come on, Mr. Turtle. No. Oh. It's a telescope. I can see the stars. I know. It's a cup. We can use a cup to drink water. Refreshing. I'm thirsty. Or a cup for carrot juice. Nice and cold. My favourite. Or a big cup for drinking milk. Wait a minute. I mustn't forget about the biscuits. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, Funny Bunny.